Hey Dad, it's 16th of August. I'll just give you a quick walkthrough where we're up to. So we had the concrete guys in last Saturday. So they came in and poured the slab. So what you're going to see is we've done the trench drain, and they've done a nice little slope up and into the garage. And the trench drain now goes all the way along to the side. And then they finished it back off to kind of basically fix the slab up. Then down the side we've also done the little trench drain again. It kind of comes across there, buried all the conduits and everything else that was in there, so that's all good to go. And then here's the man door. What we've done is we've framed for a new man door coming into it. So now I've got to do a little bit of a grind down the bottom here. You can see that there's a bit of a lip here, and the door jamb is going to sit down about this level. So I'm going to grind back maybe about 6 inches here and kind of give me a 45 degree just to slope it down. If I don't do it now, then I'll never get it done. So this is what it looks like inside. So they've done a fill all the way along, and they basically leveled it out. Concrete was put in. Then you can still slightly see here a bit of a darker green patch there. That's where the lift, and it's still curing. And then down the front, what they did is they did a little bit of a slope down here, and it's all been filled. This is what it looks like from the front looking back. And again, all the way along the edge here has been filled in. Again, a little bit of a darker zone here. That's where the other lift will go. And as you can see, we've started to do electrical. So you can start to see all the electrical cables coming through. Thomas gave me a hand over the weekend, and we've done a bit of a wire through all the outlets at the moment. The new panel got installed a couple of weeks ago, and the permit got finished, and just for the panel and for the feeder, so it's all now permitted. And now I've got to keep wiring and do some of the lighting along the back. So this is what the walls now look like coming in. I've got outlets at 48 inches, basically 4 feet or 3 feet up, 4 feet up. Basically desk height, because I want all my switches and all my plugs. I got my 40 amp for a welding plasma cutter down the back, and then again we keep going along for the up and over the door frame and everything else. So let's go and have a quick look at the back. So what we've done out the back is here's the slab. So it's being poured. There's about close to 8 inches. It was a good 6-inch pour that they did. They mounted it out with the footings being deeper around, quite heavy rebar just because of the weight of the tank on the back. So they've gone through and they've smoothed it out, which is good. The poly still fits through, and basically smoothed it up to the neighbor's concrete, so the water can run off down the back. And then any of the leftover concrete, what we did down the side is we've gone and filled the little trench down here just to kind of keep the water flowing backwards away from the concrete. But I'll probably put a sealant on that concrete. So that's where we're at the moment. So the garage door, which I forgot to mention, is basically we've framed, vapor barriered, and put final sheeting on it. We've done an undercoat on it. So the garage door, the roller door, is arriving tomorrow 11:30, so we'll get that installed and I'll give you an update then. Awesome, take care.